Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell so you won't miss my new videos. I went to Dubai last time, as I mentioned. I was sent by my company for Arab Health Convention. I'm here. I had to go early before the exhibition starts to check on our booth. This is the first time I went in an exhibition hall where the construction was still in place. Our booth was together with Malaysian Pavilion under Martrade Malaysia. We have to wear this high visibility vest to enter. The first day of the exhibition, I was pretty excited. But overall, there's not really much to tell. Every day after the exhibition, I have to take the metro to go back to the hotel. As you can see, there was so many people involved in the exhibition. This was my view every day. On the 29th, I heard about this thing at the Bluewaters Island, which is the drone show. At first, I thought I would be able to see even when I'm sitting quite far away, thinking that it would be drones, so must be high up in the sky. Little did I know that is not true.
The year is 2040. Let's go on a journey.
Bye drone. Those are the drones. Bye bye. Bluewaters. That's why they call it Bluewaters. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye.